Hi everyone, this is Noor from Auto Detailing SEO. So, what if I told you most auto detailing shops are invisible to their ideal customer? Not because their work isn't great, but because they are missing one critical piece of local SEO that Google absolutely loves. So today, I'll show you how to engineer local relevance with smart citation strategies. So this isn't about blasting your business everywhere. So it's about building a digital footprint that proves to Google you are the number one detailing expert in your area. So by end of this video, I will have a 14 days action plan that can boost your visibility and bring you more high value customer. So let's move on. Okay, now the problem. Here is the truth. Most detailing shops have massive business information online. Your address might be different on Google than it on Yelp, and your phone number might change from one directory to another, and your business name, sometimes 5 different variation exist. So this doesn't just confuse people, it kills your ranking. So when Google can't verify who you are and where you are located, and it disappears from local search. So meanwhile, your computer with clean, consistent data show up on fast, and that mistake could be costing you thousand every month. So this is the new way the Google sees the citation. So citations used to mean just name, address, and phone number, not anymore. Now Google treat them as a signal of authority. Your business is mentioned with your targeted keyword like ceramic coating, or your service keyword PPF with your city. Google learns exactly what you do and where you do it, and that context makes you the obvious choice for the local customers. So verify your existence, define your service with your main services, quoting, paint correction, and other things, and establish your service area and build trust with search engines and AI. And here is a code the SEO specialist Brent Engen. So citation is in 2025 are not just about visibility, they are about establishing a verifiable, trustworthy, and contextually rich digital identity for your local business so that AI can confidently interrupt and present to the users. Now, here is the framework. Uh, Number one, the structure citation. So these are your directory listing places like Google, Google Business Profile, Yelp, Bing, and Apple Map. So these are the foundation. They tell Google you are a real business with consistent, verifiable information. And two, unstructured citation. These are mentioned of your business in blogs, local news, car club, website, or supplier, this kind of supplier shoutouts, and they don't follow a set of format, but when they include your service and location, they carry a huge authority. Number three, topical plus geographic co-occurrence. This means your business show up online with both what you do and where you do. For example, ceramic coating in Dallas or paint portion film in Texas. So when those terms always appear together and Google start connecting you as a expert in that market. Okay, then number four, completeness with freshness. Google loves business that look like alive. That means fully filled out profiles, every field like photos, every updates. It also means keeping them current. If you move location or update hours, that info that to flow everywhere. And five, the velocity. So it's not just what citation you have, it's how consistent you build them. Google noticed the pattern, a steady natural growth of new citation looks trustworthy. Dumping to 200 new citation at once look manipulative. Master these five and you will be build a local presence that almost impossible for your competitors. Okay, now let's discuss the data foundation, the entity and home distribution. Like it start with your website, your entity home. This is where your business address, phone number, and schema markup must be 100% accurate. That clean data then flow into aggregators like Data Excel, Newstar, Localise, and Foursquare, and lots more. So they push your information hundred of platform like thing like a supply chain. So if your data is clean, everything is downstream is clean. So if it's wrong, those errors is split everywhere. Get it right at the source. Then structure citation. So where details must be listed. Like some listing are non-negotiable, like Google Business Profile, Apple Map, Bing, Yelp. So for detailers, also the Better Business Bureau and your Chamber of Commerce and industry directories like the IDA is on its identical NAP data, name, address, phone number data, but customize your description for each platform and audience. And remember, don't set it and forget it. Update those profile regularly. Okay, now the unstructured citation mention that move ranking. Like this is where real power comes in. Unstructured citation are natural mention of your business. Think the local news article, the car club website, event page, suppliers, shoutouts, and sponsorship. So get mentioned in these places that build authority, the local press release, car club website and events in your area, and auto show listing, car show listing, and supplier distribution page and sponsor the event and charities. So here you can see a example. So before a generic mention like auto detailing shop, now you can mention like with more context, with content like the for professional ceramic coating and paint protection service in your city, then your business name, like this way. Okay, the next one, the topical plus geo engineering. So maximize the relevance. So always combine what you do and why you do. Don't just say like detailing business or detailing service. Say pen detailing service in Texas or Boston or your city. So always try to mention like service plus your location, and where your service terms and location appear together in everywhere, so Google understand that your authority and show you to the right customers. So here you can see I have set up some example here. So for the Google business profile, this is the example. So you can mention your description like this way: ceramic coating specialist in location and providing premium protection with luxury vehicles. So Colorado. So you can this way you can mention with properly your service and location. So I have here multiple example here you can see. So this way you can utilize the description, so all across your bios. So signing the categories, all of the listing, and use geo specific modifier and target neighborhoods and label and this level of terms. Then quality and completeness more than name, address, phone number. So don't stop at the basic. Fill out every every profile completely, like hours, your services, your payment method, your parking info. Upload professional photos. Also you can use the UTM course to track which listing and we drive leads, and regularly audit the duplicate and errors, and because one wrong listing can undo months of effort. So in citation, quality always beat the quantity. And a complete profile receive up to 7x more views and drive 70% more actual actions than the basic listing. So fill your our service areas and a detailed service section. In GBP you will find a service section and high quality image. Try to upload before after, and when you're working on a vehicle, and use item check and check the duplicate things. Then the niche citation for the detailers. So niche example here. So like where you to get the feature as a detailer. Like here's most detailer miss, like join the IDA, like a detailing association, and optimize your profile, sponsor the car clubs and get mentioned in their site, and partner with the detailers for the other referral pages, and add yourself, find a detailer directories, join the e-commerce chamber of e-commerce, and this small niche mention carry massive weight. Like one of them can outrank 20 organic directories listing. So here's the implement timeline. Move fast, stay fresh. So here is how to roll this out. So days 1 to 14, knock out your core citation and niche directories, and days 15 to 13, work to unstructured mention through outreach and the partnerships, and days 30 to 60, audit everything and refresh all listing and fix the inconsistencies, and keep steady and not it at once, and slow and consistent growth look natural to Google. Okay, then metrics that matter. So real odds result. Don't chase vanity numbers. Focus on what drive revenue. So say Google business profile inside, I'll call, direction, and request and website click. So you can use third-party tools that we used for the Bright Locals and Local Dominator for the map pin ranking. So also you can track leads with UTM codes, and watch your map pack appearance, and check your referral traffic in Google Analytics, and when this number rise, and your revenue follows. Finally, here is a 40 days action plans or checklist for the retailers. So these 10 tasks like you or your team can deploy right now, like audit and fix all the existing listings for the accuracy, and claim your verified Google business profile or the foundation Google Map, Bing, and Yelp profiles, and update every profile with complete info, hour, service, and photos, and join and update the idea directories profiles, and submit your business chamber of WooCommerce and local clubs, sponsor or ask to mention suppliers or car site. Align all the business categories with keyword across every platform, and add UTM tracking to K directory social profiles, remove merge and duplicate outdated across, and monitor the GBP insight, leads, and new reviews. Follow this step by step and you will see a result within 13 days. So that's all for today. So, and if you have any specific question, just drop a comment. So that's all.